Food prices are still high, energy bills are crazy, and cities are getting more expensive every month. But in rural America, something big is happening in 2026. Land is still affordable, solar is dirt cheap now, and regular families are quietly becoming self-sufficient. Today I'm showing you exactly why this is the perfect time, even if you're starting with less than $10,000. Hey everyone, welcome to Rural USA Homestead. I research and share practical, budget-friendly ways to live better in rural America. If you're thinking about moving to the countryside or improving your current homestead, this video is for you. Main points. 1. Rural land prices versus city housing. Small plots still $4,000 to $8,000 per acre in many areas. 2. Solar panel costs dropped dramatically. Systems under $3,000 now. 3. Food inflation leads to backyard gardening and chickens save hundreds per year. 4. Remote work plus rural migration trend still strong in 2026. 5. Real example, how one family started on 1 acre and cut grocery bills by 60%. Practical steps. Step 1. Research your target county. Affordable land plus zoning for animals. Step 2. Start small. 1 raised bed plus 4 to 6 chickens. Step 3. Budget solar starter kit. 2026 is the year the math finally makes sense for normal people. If you're ready to start, drop 2026 in the comments and subscribe for the full beginner series. First 10 videos drop next week.